Hello, this is vlog number 5, countdown, day 60. It is the 20th, so it's exactly 2 months, and then I will have already started. So yeah, today what I gotta do is actually change that tire, and so I thought I might as well do it together. I got a new one, so I'm not sure how fast that I can do it, but we will find out. We will find out. Probably if I want to do it fast, I cannot do it fast. We will see. And I also got a new tube, so we're gonna change the weight now. So it is off now. Could have been a bit faster than that, but apparently not today. So let me see. Okay. So yeah, this one is really flat. I used it for the whole joggle, 1,233 miles with one tire. But that one is done. So now I got this one. Look at it. It's a trail one. Hopefully it's gonna hold up for a bit longer than the other one. So we will find out. So this is gonna be the left one, so the rotation. I'm not really prepared, I think. So we're gonna go with this. Rotation. And this. This is the new tube. It's a 20-inch tube. Hopefully I can do it. It's a bit boring to watch me change a tire, but I think I will have to do it quite often on my little trip. Let's give it a sun, and then we'll see. Maybe it's already too much of it. That might be. There we go. Okay, see? I need a bit of a new idea. So I'm going to do this first. And of course, it makes more sense. Okay, let me do this. Finally got it done. So let me see. So I think this is it for today. I still had some questions, but you know, gotta get some good material. And I think now I have some good material. So it's gonna be interesting of like how long it's gonna hold up for the first miles. I would hope for about 1,500, but maybe about 1,000 miles. That would be good. So hopefully this is the material I needed, and I will get so much better in caring for my little buggy.